What's up guys, Donnie here. So my new Tesla Model Y that I just got in September is the first vehicle that I own that I actually want to keep clean. So I was wondering how much I could actually save by doing my own car washing. Should I just send it through the car wash? Should I do the premium car wash so that it doesn't get scuffed up or anything? Or should I just wash the car myself? Let's do some math and let's, first of all, I'm going to wash my car because it's filthy. So let's go do that first. So here we have all of the stuff we're going to be using today. On the left is the Sunjo SPX 3000 pressure washer. We have a Chemical Guys 6-pack microfiber towel, Chemical Guys microfiber wash mitts, a Chemical Guys Honeydew foam car wash soap, a telescoping squeegee and window washer combo, 2 5-gallon buckets, and a foam cannon nozzle. So I'm going to get started prepping, and I'm also going to start the timer. For our purposes, we're only going to be comparing the exterior car wash, so we're not going to be going into the interior of the car wash. So I am using a lot of Tesla owner favorites here. I'm using the Chemical Guys Snow Foam Auto Wash. This is just a pH safe soap. It's easy. It's good to use if you have a ceramic coating or PPF, which I have. I have a ceramic coating on here that I did myself. We have a pressure washer here, a regular, it's not too expensive, just an electric pressure washer. We don't need a high PSI if we're just going to be cleaning the car. And Chemical Guys does have their own foam cannon. I got this one because it was cheap and they had good reviews, and the few times I've used it, it's done really well. It foams up really nicely. If you use the one that comes with the some systems, some pressure washers like these reservoirs here, I tried them. You see, it had a little bit left. It doesn't foam up as well as the foam cannon, the foam washer, which just connects directly to the tip here. It's really nice though when you use it. I'll show you how it works, but before I do that, I should probably move the CRV. I will be narrating the pros and cons and the costs and all that stuff between washing the car and going to the car wash, so we're not just watching me, washing the car. Quick release, all you have to do is to switch it up. This comes off, that comes off, just snap it right on. I do want to note that the foam cannon is adjustable, and I also didn't use as much soap as I normally did, so it's not as foamy as it normally is. So while you watch me wash my car, let's go over the pros and cons of washing your car versus going to the car wash. So the pros of washing your car yourself are, you can clean the car the way you want it, and you can clean it properly. You can be as gentle or as rough as you want, and you can also clean it whenever you want because you're at home and it's pretty much on your time. The cons of washing your car yourself is that it takes a really long time, since you're usually by yourself when you're washing it and you're doing all of the duties that a machine or a group of people normally do. It also has a higher upfront cost, that is getting all of the materials yourself before you start washing your car. Now the pros of going through the car wash. The main thing is that it's very quick and convenient. You just drive up there, you pay them cash, and you let the car go through the wash and let the people wash your car. There's also no work on your part necessary. You're pretty much just sitting in the car, or you're waiting outside for the car for them to finish cleaning it. The cons include that sometimes the machine just doesn't get all of the dirt off of your car. There's a lot of nooks and crannies on some cars that have a lot of edges, and sometimes the cleaning bristles and all that just don't get there. It's also completely out of your hands. If you go through an automated car wash with no workers involved, you pretty much have no choice to clean these areas but to do it yourself afterwards. And then sometimes if there are workers that clean the car for you, they often don't do a good job. They're trying to get through as many cars as possible. Even though they say it's a premium job, they often don't do premium work. And finally, you pretty much pay every time you go get a car wash, unless you go to one of those car washes where they give you a subscription fee and you can go as many times as you want through the car wash with a monthly subscription. You're still paying out of pocket. Oh, there you go. All clean. And it only took, an hour.
About an hour. That's going to be different depending on your quality, how much you want to actually clean the car, and all that good stuff. All right, all done. We're back inside. So let's get to the fun stuff, guys. Let's do the math. So in our case, the foam cannon was about $18.85, the microfiber towel $16.95, the wash mitt was $9.99, the car wash soap gel 1 gallon was $29.99, the squeegee window washer combo $39.99, the two 5-gallon buckets were $3 to $5 each. There were two different ones, but we'll average it out to about $4 each. And the pressure washer was $149. I believe I got it on sale, but that's the current price right now. So the total comes out to $275 before taxes and shipping, and we're gonna round that up to about
300 buckaroos
just for shipping and taxes, okay? In my area, car washes are anywhere from $9 to $20, depending on if you go through a drive-through or if you go do the hand car wash. Remember, we're not gonna be doing interior cleaning. We are just comparing exterior cleaning. So if we divide 300 by $9 or $20, we get a range from somewhere between 20 to 33 times washing your car to recuperate that $300 cost. That means if it takes you an hour to wash your car, you're going to be spending 20 hours to 33 hours to recuperate that cost. That's a lot of time and that's a lot of energy, right? In my case, the pressure washer was actually not just for washing the car. I originally got it because I did some work in the backyard, taking off the paint from the cement and repainting it. It's also great for cleaning the house siding and also the driveway. So the pressure washer really was for a different purpose, and I ended up just having it and ended up using it for car washing anyway. In this case, if we were to take out that $150, it would take about 10 to 17 washes to recuperate that cost. And then for other people, maybe you're not as short as me, you know, maybe you're not Asian. Maybe you don't need the telescoping squeegee, you don't need the pressure washer or the foam cannon. In that case, you have about $91 in cost. That means you only need to wash the car 5 to 10 times to recuperate that cost. So it really depends on the amount of work you want to do, the amount of detail you want to do to clean the exterior of your car, and really how much you want to devote to it. So how much money do we actually save by washing our own car? Well, keep in mind that with a 1 gallon soap, you get about 40 washes. So after the 40th wash, depending on how much you spend on a car wash, if you spend $9, you would save about $63 on your 40th wash. But if you spend $20 on your car wash, you would save about $400. But if you were conservative with the equipment that you buy and you only spent $91 because you didn't need a pressure washer and you didn't need that long squeegee one, then with the same criteria from before, you would save anywhere from $270 to $700 by your 40th wash. After that, all you have to do is reload on the soap, and then you would be saving money every single time. Another thing to keep in mind is if you have child labor or kids of your own old enough to wash the car, instill some responsibility in them. Have them work for the allowance that you're giving them every week. So there you have it, guys. I hope you found this helpful. Not too hard to do your own math on this. I will put the links down below for the things that I bought. Sorry about the figures here. My toddler wants me to hold them for her, otherwise she's gonna start crying. So the bottom line is, for me, I already had the pressure washer, ended up working out really well for me. I like to clean my car because I know I'm gonna do a good job. I know I'm gonna get all the nooks and crannies, and I'm not gonna have to end up washing it after they already do for me. So I think that it's a good compromise instead of just going to the car wash and buying it every time. Thank you so much, you guys. Please consider liking, subscribing, sharing it with anyone who you think should be washing their own car instead of spending all that money going. Yes, baby. Instead of spending all that money by going to the car wash. If you haven't started investing and you're considering entering the stock market, don't forget to check out the links down below. Robinhood will get you 1 free stock when you join. Webull will give you 4 free stocks worth up to $1,600 when you deposit $100 or more into the account. And M1 Finance will give you $10 credit when you deposit $100 or more into the account. Thank you so much, guys, and we will see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Detail you want to do to clean the
Say cheese. Say cheese. You have to look here.
Really how much you want to devote.
Hi. Say hi. Hi. Say bye. Bye. Bye.